So I'm installing this generic indoor PTZ smart camera in my basement, and it's 2K. So I got a 2-pack of these indoor cameras, 2K, that I'm gonna set up, and it looks like this. So you can insert a SD card and record, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to look at basically monitoring what is going on in my basement, if there's a flood or something. So the kit comes with USB cable, USB-C, some wall anchors if you need, and this is a 2-pack. So I'm just going to set up one for now, and gonna connect it to USB, and then you can install the app that they recommend or not. If you want to make recording, you probably would want to install the app. I don't want too many apps on my phone, so I think I'm just going to use the app that I already have. So this is the USB. So the app that I have is called Edup Smart, and you can just use that to add the camera. Once you plug your USB power source in, it's going to power up, and it's going to ask you to set it up. So it'll run through a self-check. So I'll probably have to turn off the camera so I can use my cell phone to link up the camera. Okay, for the moment, let's wait to see what it will ask me to do. Okay, I think it's prompting me to do something, so I'm gonna open up the app that I have to try to connect the app to the camera. So the app I have is Edup. It doesn't work well with this camera to make recordings. It'll just record to the end and then it'll stop. But if you want a loop recording, you should install the app that comes with the camera. So you just click the plus sign on the Edup app, and then it will just look for your network, and then it'll just automatically install your camera. It's quite simple. And then you can rename your camera to whatever name you want to give it. And then it will finish setting up. And now you have a video or a recording of my basement. So I just named the camera basement camera. And then, of course, PTZ means you can turn the camera angle around, up or down, and then you can actually communicate with people that is in your basement or some other room. The resolution is very high. So with the Tuya smart app, you can control an unlimited amount of devices, and you can also make loop recordings. But like I said, I just need the camera to work, and I don't want to install too many apps on my camera. I mean on my cell phone. So I just use the Edup smart app that I have, and which seems to work just fine with these two cameras. These are high quality cameras. I think I paid like $30, maybe $40 for the two of them. Yeah, so I think you're more interested when you're watching the video to see if the camera resolution is good, and I can tell you the resolution is as good, it's high quality. So here's the camera, you can push to talk, and it has a lot of function, and if you're using it indoor, it'll last a long time. I did use one of these cameras on the windowsill, and after a couple of years, the lens coating came off because of the UV. So that might be a problem if you put it right next to the window facing the sun directly. So if maybe you can put like an awning, a cover on it. That will help. And yeah, so there's very little light in my basement, but the camera can pick it up just fine. All right, thanks for watching. This time you'll be asking, what's the name of the camera? It just says Indoor PTZ Smart Camera. You can look for it on eBay. I got it on eBay, or you can get it from Amazon. Just look for cameras in a box that looks like this. A lot of times they're generic and they just put different brand names on them. So I don't worry too much about the brands rather than the quality and the price of the camera. All right, I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. If you want to use the app that comes with a camera, you can scan the QR code, and then you will be downloading the Tuya Smart app.